Ladies and gentlemen, there's an old saying, if you want something done right, do it yourself. It is not just a phrase. It is a philosophy, a mindset, a way of life. Because in this world, the person who truly determines your success is the one staring back at you in the mirror. Too often, we wait. We wait for someone to lend a hand, for the right opportunity, for the perfect conditions. But let me tell you, success doesn't wait. It belongs to those who step forward, take control, and get things done themselves. When you do something on your own, you give it your best. You put in the effort, the precision, and the passion that no one else can. There's no one to blame, no one to depend on, only you, your work, and the result. And that is where real excellence is born. Look around you. The most successful, the most accomplished, the most respected individuals are not the ones who relied on luck or favors. They are the ones who believed in themselves enough to take action, to make mistakes, to learn, and to grow. Yes, it is easy to wish for help, to hope for shortcuts. But let's be honest. What feels better, getting something handed to you or achieving it through your own sweat and determination? That feeling, that pride, that deep satisfaction of saying, I did it, that is priceless. So, to everyone listening today, trust your ability. Put in the work, take responsibility, because in the end, the sweetest victory is not just getting the job done, it's knowing that it was self-done, well done. Self-reliance is one of the most powerful qualities a person can develop. It is the ability to depend on oneself for decisions, actions, and achievements without waiting for approval, assistance, or validation from others. Those who embrace self-reliance understand that their progress is in their own hands. They take responsibility for their choices and understand that success is not a gift, but something earned through effort, discipline, and persistence. When a person is self-reliant, they cultivate a mindset of independence, resilience, and problem solving. Instead of looking for someone else to fix their problems, they take initiative and find solutions on their own. This mindset is what separates leaders from followers. It empowers individuals to face challenges head-on and push through obstacles with confidence. They do not waste time blaming circumstances or waiting for someone else to provide a way forward. Instead, they create their own opportunities. Self-reliance also builds self-confidence. When people repeatedly take action and accomplish tasks on their own, they develop a strong belief in their abilities. They understand that they are capable of handling situations no matter how difficult they seem. This confidence becomes a foundation for future success as they become unshaken by setbacks and learn to trust their own judgment. Every challenge overcome reinforces their ability to tackle the next one, making them more resilient and adaptable. Another advantage of self-reliance is the freedom it brings. Relying on others for success can create unnecessary limitations. When people constantly depend on external help, they may find themselves stuck when that support is unavailable. However, those who trust in their own abilities do not have to wait for someone else to act. They have the freedom to move forward at their own pace without being held back by the schedules, opinions, or decisions of others. This independence allows them to achieve their goals faster and with greater satisfaction. Personal responsibility is another key aspect of self-reliance. People who take control of their lives do not make excuses. They do not blame others for their failures or expect someone else to correct their mistakes. Instead, they own their actions and learn from their experiences. This mindset pushes them to continuously improve as they see every failure as a lesson rather than a setback. It also earns them respect from others, as those who take responsibility are seen as reliable and trustworthy. Self-reliance fosters creativity and innovation. When people are forced to find solutions on their own, they think outside the box. They experiment, take risks, and develop new skills. History has shown that many great inventors, entrepreneurs, and leaders were self-reliant individuals who did not wait for someone else to pave the way. Instead, they created their own paths through persistence and ingenuity. Ultimately, self-reliance is not about rejecting help or refusing to work with others. It is about knowing that at the core of every success, there must be personal effort and determination. Those who master self-reliance become stronger, more capable, and more prepared to face whatever challenges life throws their way. Personal accountability is the foundation of excellence in any area of life. It is the ability to take full ownership of one's actions, decisions, and results without shifting blame to others or external circumstances. When a person holds themselves accountable, they set higher standards for their performance and strive for continuous improvement. This mindset ensures that their work is not just done, but done with precision, discipline, and dedication. Excellence is not a matter of luck or talent alone. It is a direct result of consistent effort, responsibility, and self-discipline. When individuals embrace personal accountability, they become more aware of their strengths and weaknesses. They do not make excuses for failures, but rather view them as learning opportunities. This self-awareness allows them to correct mistakes, refine their skills, and enhance their performance. Instead of blaming others for setbacks, they analyze what went wrong and make adjustments to improve. This level of responsibility creates a mindset of growth and resilience, where every challenge is seen as a chance to get better rather than an obstacle to success. A key benefit of personal accountability is the trust and credibility it builds. People who take responsibility for their actions earn the respect of their peers, colleagues, and superiors. They are seen as dependable and trustworthy, making them valuable in any environment. Whether in the workplace, relationships, or personal endeavors, accountability fosters reliability. Those who consistently deliver on their commitments and own up to their mistakes gain a reputation for excellence. And this reputation opens doors to greater opportunities. Excellence is not achieved by avoiding responsibility, but by embracing it. Those who are accountable push themselves to go beyond the minimum requirements. They take pride in their work, knowing that the quality of their output is a reflection of their character. They do not settle for mediocrity because they understand that every effort, no matter how small, contributes to a larger success. This internal drive to do better each time leads to mastery in any field. It separates high achievers from those who are content with just getting by. Personal accountability also fosters discipline and consistency. A person who holds themselves accountable does not wait for external motivation to take action. They establish routines, set clear goals, and follow through with their commitments, even when no one is watching. This discipline creates a habit of excellence, where high standards become second nature. Over time, the small daily acts of responsibility accumulate, resulting in significant achievement. Another important aspect of accountability is the ability to handle criticism and feedback constructively. Instead of reacting defensively, accountable individuals see feedback as an opportunity for improvement. They actively seek ways to enhance their skills and performance rather than resisting change. This adaptability ensures continuous growth and prevents stagnation. At its core, personal accountability is the driving force behind excellence. It is what ensures that people do not just dream of success, but actively work towards it. The moment individuals take full responsibility for their actions and outcomes, they unlock their true potential and set themselves on the path to greatness. Lessons in effort and growth provide a profound understanding of the transformative power that persistence, resilience, and self-improvement can bring into one's life. It is through dedicated effort that individuals learn to overcome obstacles and develop a deeper appreciation for the journey rather than merely focusing on the destination. Each challenge encountered along the way serves as a valuable lesson, offering insights that are only possible when one steps outside their comfort zone and embraces the process of trial and error. In this context, effort is not seen as a burden or a means to an end, but rather as a vital component of personal development that fuels growth over time. As one continually strives to achieve their goals, the repeated practice of facing difficulties fosters a mindset that is open to learning and change. This mindset encourages self-reflection, where mistakes are not viewed as failures, but as essential feedback that guides future actions. The experience of putting forth effort and confronting challenges instills discipline and patience, qualities that are indispensable when navigating the complexities of life. Every attempt, regardless of its immediate success or failure, contributes to a cumulative pool of knowledge that gradually shapes an individual's capabilities and outlook. As efforts accumulate, they build a foundation of skills and confidence, enabling individuals to tackle more significant challenges with increased competence. This growth is often gradual, marked by incremental improvements that may seem insignificant at first, but eventually lead to profound changes in one's character and abilities. Through consistent effort, one learns the importance of perseverance and the value of continuous learning. The process also teaches that setbacks are an inevitable part of any worthwhile endeavor, and that each setback offers an opportunity to reassess, adapt, and try again with renewed vigor. The lessons learned through effort and growth are not confined to a single area of life, but extend to personal relationships, professional pursuits, and even the way one interacts with the world. By embracing the challenges and lessons that come with effort, individuals develop a robust sense of self-reliance and an enduring belief in their ability to change and improve. In this ongoing journey, every experience, whether marked by success or failure, becomes a stepping stone towards a more capable and resilient self. The interplay between effort and growth is a dynamic process that underscores the value of persistence and the continuous pursuit of excellence, fostering an environment where every challenge is an invitation to evolve, and every lesson learned paves the way for future accomplishments. Embracing continuous effort transforms setbacks into valuable opportunities, each mistake serving as a guidepost towards improvement. Over time, repeated efforts solidify skills and expand horizons, instilling a sense of determination that fuels future endeavors. Every small step taken reinforces the belief that growth is a gradual process, built on persistence and learning. In this journey, every challenge encountered is a lesson that contributes to building a stronger, wiser self. Each lesson deepens understanding, paving the path for continual, meaningful progress steadily. The joy of accomplishment is a deeply fulfilling emotion that resonates within us, marking the moment when our hard work, perseverance, and dedication come to fruition. It is an experience that instills pride and satisfaction, often accompanied by a profound sense of relief and validation of our efforts. This emotion transcends the mere act of completing a task or achieving a goal. It represents the culmination of a journey filled with challenges, setbacks, and personal growth. The process leading to accomplishment involves long hours of focus, unwavering commitment, and the determination to push through adversity. Every step taken, whether small or significant, contributes to a deeper understanding of our capabilities and strengths, allowing us to evolve as individuals. The path to achievement is rarely smooth, yet it is precisely the obstacles encountered along the way that add meaning to the final success. When difficulties arise, they test our resolve and encourage us to discover creative solutions, reinforcing the belief that every effort matters. Embracing these challenges, we learn to appreciate the incremental progress that eventually leads to mastery and fulfillment. The sense of joy experienced when a goal is reached is not solely about the outcome, but also about the journey traveled. It is a celebration of the time, energy, and passion invested in the pursuit of excellence, and the personal transformation that occurs during that process. Reflecting on the path taken, we recognize that every moment of struggle, every setback overcome, and all the lessons learned have contributed to a richer, more resilient self. This reflection fosters renewed confidence and inspires us to set new objectives while continuing the quest for self-improvement. The joy of accomplishment also plays a vital role in shaping our self-worth by affirming that our efforts are meaningful and that we possess the strength to overcome any challenge. This internal validation becomes a powerful motivator, propelling us forward in our journey of personal and professional development. Sharing our achievements with others adds another layer of fulfillment, as communal recognition amplifies the positive emotions associated with success. The support and encouragement from peers, mentors, and loved ones not only intensify our happiness, but also remind us that we are part of a larger community that values growth and determination. In every aspect of life, from creative endeavors to academic pursuits and career milestones, the joy of accomplishment fuels our desire to push boundaries and continuously evolve. It transforms the arduous process of hard work into an inspiring narrative of resilience, determination, and triumph that encourages us to persist, learn, and grow with each new challenge encountered along our path towards greatness.